USEC, when it comes to our policies regarding land use rather, these were actually written years ago pa, no? Decades ago. Are they up to date, USEC?
Are they up to date? We see lapses in our laws and policies. For example, let me cite the easement law of natural waterways. Meron kasing law na pagka merong ilog dyan, hindi mo yan pwedeng patitulahan yung ilog mismo. And there is an easement on both sides, left and right bank, that in urban areas, there is a 3-meter easement from the edge of the river, 3 meters out, no, on both sides. These are no-build zones. Obviously, yung 3 meters, masyado maliit yan. Hindi man lang isang bahay yan. No? So parang kulang yung easement. But the worst thing that our law has made in the past is that we measured the edge of the river during the dry season flow. Ibig sabihin, pagka maliit yung ilog, doon tayo magme-measure ng left and right bank and then 3 meters out. What we should have done is to measure where is the bank during the wet season flow, kung saan malaki yung ilog, and then measure 3 meters or maybe even more. Yan ang mga no-build zones. Kaya lang, yung mga kabahayan natin ngayon talagang nasa edge. At hindi mo rin masisi yung DPWH in this case, nalagyan ng dike dahil nandun na nga yung mga bahay that are really flood prone. So parang nawalan tayo ng solution dahil hindi natin nire-relocate, lagyan natin ng pader yung river at hindi ito ang pinaka-ideal, no, in my understanding. Hindi ito ang pinaka-ideal na solution sa pagbaha.